Today we shall read lesson 7, The Witty Daughters-in-Law. Children, witty means wise, very quick to answer, very quick to respond. बहुत जल्दी फटाफट जो कोई काम करती हैं या जवाब देती हैं, दे आर विट्टी. तो दो उन बहुओं की हम कहानी पढ़ेंगे. We will study the story of a woman and her 2 daughters-in-law. So let us start reading. Thousands of years ago, in a small town in Japan, there lived a woman. Where does the story take place? The story takes place in Japan. Who lived there? A woman lived there. She had 2 sons. The woman had 2 sons. They grew into handsome and strong men. Those 2 sons became very handsome and strong when they grew up. Once they visited a faraway town, and there they came across 2 beautiful young girls. Those 2 boys went to a very distant land in a town, and there they met. They came into contact with 2 beautiful young girls, and they decided to marry them. How many children the woman had? She had 2 sons. Give 2 qualities of her sons. They were handsome and strong. Whom did they come across one day? They came across 2 beautiful young girls. Once the weddings were over, शादी वादी जब खत्म हो जाती है उनकी, they brought their wives to be part of their own household. वो अपने घर उनको लेकर आते हैं, अपनी wives को अपने घर में ले आते हैं. The old lady, this lady, was very happy to receive the pretty daughters-in-law. She was so happy to receive 2 daughters-in-law who were so pretty. She was very happy. Who was happy? The old lady. Why was she happy? She was happy because the daughters-in-law were very pretty. They are pretty as a cherry orchard in bloom. Those 2 girls, young girls, वो इतनी सुंदर हैं. As a cherry orchard. Orchard is a garden full of fruits. जैसे चेरी का बाग होता है, in bloom, पूरा खिला हुआ. What is the color of cherries? Red. So these 2 girls are compared to cherries. वाह, इतनी लाल चेरी के बाग की तरह घर हो गया उनका. इतनी सुंदर वहां पे वो घूम रही थी दोनों. She told her sons a few days after the arrival of their brides in her house. Who told? The old lady told. What did she tell the 2 young sons? She told them that their brides were as pretty as cherries. So they treat me like an empress. They means those 2 young girls. They treated the old lady like an empress. जैसे कोई राजकुमारी होती है, ऐसे दोनों बहुएं ट्रीट करती हैं. मदर इन लॉ को बैठे बिठाए सारा सेवा कर रही हैं. I only have to think of a thing, and within moments, क्षणों में, within moments, they set it before me. मैं तो सोचती हूँ किसी चीज़ के बारे में बस, और बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए सेकंड्स में वो चीज़ मेरे आगे लाके सेट कर देती हैं. They are so quick. Mother-in-law just has to ask or think of a thing, and they bring that thing in front of the mother-in-law. They are so quick. And that is true. The old woman need not do anything. She need not do anything but sit before her. Children, be careful. Need does not take to after it. Need not to do. We don't use to. Need not do anything before, but sit before her. Mother-in-law उनके आगे बैठ जाती थी. In a small red, before her, small red lacquered table. रेड कलर का ग्लॉसी सा टेबल था, वॉर्निश किया होता है ना, व्हेन इट इज कोटेड विद सम पेंट और वॉर्निश, दिस इज कॉल्ड लैकर्ड. उस टेबल पे के आगे बैठ जाती थी. एंड इन केम हर डॉटर्स इन लॉ विद डेलिकेट बोल्स. दिस इज बोल्स, नॉट बाउल्स. Bowls filled with all the foods she liked best. She used to sit in front of the lacquered table, which was of red color, and the daughters brought all the food in front of the old lady in delicate bowls. Bowl भर भर के वो ले आती थी. Oh yes, she thought, my sons have taken the finest of wives to themselves. She thought that the sons have brought the finest wives to themselves. बहुत ही अच्छी वाइफ्स को लेकर आए हैं मेरे दोनों बच्चे जो हैं. But no sooner did the woman think that. No sooner did. No sooner did. जैसे ही women ये सोचती है, then in came the young wives. जैसे ही वो क्या सोचती है कि माई सन्स हैव ब्रॉट द फाइनेस्ट वाइफ्स, जैसे ही ये उनकी के बारे में सोचती है तो वो दोनों आ जाती हैं. तो दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नो सूनर ऑलवेज टेक्स हेल्पिंग वर्ब विद इट, डिड, एंड देन ऑल्सो, देन कंजंक्शन इज यूज्ड. सो जैसे ही वो सोचती है, इन केम द यंग वाइफ्स, बोइंग लो. Bowing low means very humbly. झुकते हुए, they begged, they requested her permission to visit for a short time the town where their parents lived. बहुत ही नीचे झुकते हुए, गर्दन झुकाते हुए, बहुत ही रिक्वेस्ट किया उन्होंने, परमिशन मांगी बुढ़िया की कि हम अपने मम्मी पापा के घर जाए आए. Where they wanted to go? They wanted to go to their parents' house. From whom did they get permission? They got permission from the old lady. What was the manner in which they took permission? They bowed very low. They were very humble. Of course, no problem, said the old woman generously, very kindly, she said. Very kindly. She said, of course, no problem. Go and enjoy yourself, my cherries. Go. You can enjoy yourself. So away went the young wives. चली गई दोनों मम्मी पापा के घर. While they were gone, they were greatly missed by the old lady. The old lady missed those two daughters-in-law. When they went away, who was missing? The old lady was missing. Whom was she missing? She was missing the young brides, the young wives of her sons. She was missing the two young ladies. The young men moved about, longing for their wives to return. Not only was the old lady missing, even the young men were also missing their wives. They moved about, they roamed about, they hoping to bring their wives to come back soon. दोनों वो भी इधर उधर घूम रहे थे, बुढ़िया भी बहुत मिस कर रही थी. And as for the woman, now she missed the many things the young wives had done for her. सारा काम वो कर रही थी, तो अब बुढ़िया को खुद करना पड़ रहा होगा. तो उसको वो भी बड़ा याद आ रहा था कि अब सब कुछ उसके सिर पे पड़ गया. This must not be repeated. This means they are going away to parents' house. Their visit to their parents' house must not be repeated. अब दोबारा नहीं जाने दूंगी अपने माँ बाप के घर उनको. ये रिपीट नहीं होगा, अब तो एक बार चली गई है, अब नहीं जाएंगे. Thought the woman. What did the woman think? She thought that these two young ladies will not be sent to the parents' house again. I will see to it. She thought of a plan that would keep her son's wives at her side. Now she thought of a plan. What did the old lady do? She hit upon a plan. She hit upon a plan that would keep her son's wives at her side. जब अब वो दोबारा कभी नहीं जाएंगी, एक ऐसी प्लान उसने बनाई कि वाइफ्स जो थी वो हमेशा बुढ़िया के साथ ही रहेंगी, बाय बिसाइड हर रहेंगी. तो शी मेड ए प्लान. इन द नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल चिल्ड्रन वी विल लर्न व्हाट वाज हर प्लान. How did she execute her plan? We will read afterwards. First of all, read these 2 pages and enjoy yourself. I will be sending you fill-ups and yes, no, you have to do those exercises after watching the video. Thank you.